warming up, getting things going, getting the muscles loose. Gonna be up Mount Baldy in about, hopefully 2 hours. We start in about 45 minutes. Well, I probably won't make it up in an hour, but we got this. Everyone's warming up. Because in the summertime, you really can't do much anyway. We've started the race. Got my pals. Woo! Headed up to Mount Baldy. We're going up Mount Baldy here, kind of a single file. Kind of feeling good still, got the energy to go down. Truman, how you feeling? Super Saiyan! That's Mount Temp, right? Over there. Feeling good, feeling good. I'll record on the way down. Almost to the peak. It's right up there. Feeling good. Hurting a little bit on the heels. That's how it goes. We're going down 1.5 miles of steep and then 2 miles of speed, they said. Woo! Probably gonna put the GoPro away. Just finished. Feel like that.
All right, with another lady to join us here, Caitlin Hansen. Oh, would you know this fine gentleman right here for Jesus?
Finished the race. Sitting in the car because it's hailing. Feeling good. Lots of blisters on my heels. Toes, probably got some jammy bruising under the nail. Feeling good overall. It was a great day. We're gonna wait until about 2 o'clock for the raffle drawing.